Voltron. I finished building it. And here's the box. We have 6 instruction books, and this thing can actually stand. And it does transform. Here's his weapon, which broke.
Want to show people how it connects?
Let me get that. And here is his sword, and this is his shield.
All right, what else?
Here's 2 of his weapons.
Okay.
A shield and a sword. And now he's just gonna transform. Do you have anything you want to say? Or ask me while I'm doing this?
Sure. Which one is your favorite part of the Voltron?
I think the biggest, because I like to build, and it has the most pieces.
Well, which one is that?
The one that's the body, not the one I have now. This is one of the smallest. One.
So how many parts are there?
5.
And how many pieces are in the Voltron set all together?
2,321.
Is that the most you've ever done?
No. The most I've done is 6,020 pieces.
Why'd you choose Voltron?
It was really cool, and I got this at Legoland. And now I have 2 of them done. And this tail is buckled.
What was your favorite part about Legoland?
During flying school.
Is that a roller coaster?
Yes. Now can you ask me some questions?
Do you know when Voltron was on TV?
No.
It's when I was a kid. Have you watched any Voltron since you got this? You're gonna have to. I figured the yellow one would be your favorite.
I like this one the most. Because it's his body.
Did you know that Voltron is the defender of the universe?
Yes. That is some obvious things about him.
This is pretty complicated. Are there Technic pieces?
A lot.
Man, if a bad guy was really coming, it would take a while for Voltron to figure out how to disassemble.
Yeah, no, he's big.
Do you think Voltron could stop Garmadon?
Yes.
Do you think Voltron could stop the Joker?
Yes. And here's the biggest one.
Whoa. Let's go check it out. So the feet are bigger than the arms.
Yes. Much, much bigger.
Why do you think that is?
I think because they have to be big enough for a foot to fold, like this. So they have to be longer, so that the foot can come out and hold the whole thing up. And just because it's a leg.
Is that it?
Now I've finished unfolding everything, which does take quite a while.
What else? What else do we need to know about Voltron? What was the trickiest part of putting together Voltron?
Hit this
Which one?
this connector.
Point to it so people know when they're building.
This one.
Why? What's so tricky about that?
Just because I built it backwards by accident.
Oh.
And then I had to redo the thing.
So you're how old?
7.
Is this something that would be good for other 7-year-olds?
His arms are the easiest.
Okay.
And these are pretty easy too. And his weapons. But this one, not so easy.
How long did it take you to finish Voltron?
5 days.
Okay. That includes like going to school and everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So overall, what number out of 1 to 10, with 1 being the worst and 10 being the best, would you rank? What number would you give Voltron in terms of like how much you like the set?
9.5.
Whoa. Have you ever given a 10 before?
No. I mean, yes, to the Hogwarts Castle.
The Hogwarts Castle. Okay. Okay. Well, is there anything else we should know about?
There are these real golden tools.
Hold on, hold it. Okay.
And there's a star that
And why do you have all those extra pieces?
just because they couldn't only put that thing on his chest right here, so they had to give it a tool set.
Because they were all connected?
Yeah. And look, on this, there are so many of these shiny pieces.
And we've never seen those, have we?
They
Here,
look like
put it down here so we
They
can see
look
it.
like they're actually made of silver to me.
Yeah, that's not your average gray, right? That's
Yeah.
kind of shiny silver.
And shiny gold.
Is that because he travels the universe? All right. Well, should we call it a wrap?
Yeah.
All right. How about you say goodbye?
Bye! I'm the Voltron